In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads Customer Match, a powerful tool for targeting your advertising campaigns. Let's dive right in and maximize your advertising potential. First, you'll want to visit the Google Ads homepage. This is where the magic of online advertising begins. Once you're there, look for the sign in button at the top right corner. It's important to make sure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts, as it can affect which campaigns and audience lists you have access to. After signing in, you should be directed to the Google Ads Home dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your campaigns, analyzing performance data, and optimizing your ad strategies. From this dashboard, locate and click on Tools in the upper menu. This will reveal a drop-down with various options related to your ad account. Next, select Shared Library. This area is critical as it houses key resources like conversions, audience lists, and bid strategies that help refine your advertising approach. Within the shared library, you'll find the Audience Manager. Click on it to proceed. The Audience Manager is essentially the control center for your audience data, where you can create and manage your remarketing and customer match audiences. Now that you're in the Audience Manager, you'll see an option that says Create Remarketing List. Clicking this will give you options for different audience types. Today, we're focusing on Customer List, so select that option. Customer lists are vital because they allow you to directly reach users who have already interacted with your brand, increasing the chances of conversion. You'll now be prompted to upload your customer data file. Choose the Upload a File Manually option. This step requires you to have your customer data ready, typically in a CSV format, which should include email addresses, phone numbers, or other identifiers. Be sure the data is formatted correctly to avoid any upload issues. Once the file is uploaded, Google will begin processing the list, matching the data with its user database. This step can take a little time depending on the size of your list. After processing is complete, your new customer match audience will become available for targeting in your ad campaigns. And that wraps up your guide to setting up Google Ads Customer Match. This powerful feature allows you to harness your existing customer information to target ads more precisely and effectively. By reaching users who have shown interest in your brand, you can enhance engagement and drive higher conversion rates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials that elevate your digital marketing game. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.